Hello everyone. Today, let us study how to represent a rational number on a number line. What is the meaning of rational number? You have studied. A rational number can be written as P by Q. Any rational number. P by Q where such that P comma Q belongs to Z and Q is not equal to 0. Am I right? So, P comma Q belongs to Z means this can be positive, this can be positive, or this can be negative, this can be negative, or this can be positive, or this can be negative, or this can be negative, or this one can be positive. So, you have studied all this. Now, you know how to represent a natural number on a number line. You draw the number line, starts from 1, 1, 2, 3, and so on, isn't it? So, actually from 0 to 1, but 0 does not come in natural numbers. So, suppose 0 is included. If 0 is included, then it comes whole numbers. Now, after that you study integers. In the integers, 0 will be in the middle, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Am I right? Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3. Now, rational numbers are like this. Suppose I say 1 divided by 2. Where it will be? It is half. Where half? It is between 0 and 1. If I say 3 by 2 means 1 and a half. Right? Where is 1 and a half? It will be in between 1 and 2. Suppose I say minus 3 by 2. Can it be a rational number? Is it a rational number? Yes. So, minus 3 by 2. Where is minus 3 by 2? It is between minus 1 and minus 2. So, here it is here, minus 3 by 2. So, that is what exactly we are going to study in this class. So, shall we start it? Now, as I say, we are going to represent the rational number on a number line. They have given first question like this. Represent 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 5 by 3, 7 by 3, 11 by 3 on number line. Right? So what I have to do? As I want, see I have drawn the line. I take here, there are no negative rationals. Suppose I insert minus 1 by 3, comma 1 by 3. Let us see. I take 0 here. After that, I take regular interval. See, regular interval, and for every 1 centimeter, I mark. So, how do I mark? 1 by 3, 2 by 3. Use the scale for every 1 centimeter. This is 3 by 3. What is 3 by 3? It is 1. Write down 1. Right? 4 by 3, 5 by 3, 6 by 3. What is 6 by 3? 2. 7 by 3, 8 by 3, 9 by 3. What is 9 by 3? 3. 10 by 3, 11 by 3, and 12 by 3. What is 12 by 3? 4. So now I mark 0. Here again, minus 1 by 3, minus 2 by 3, minus 3 by 3. What is minus 3 by 3? Minus 1. So first is 1 by 3. Where is 1 by 3? Is here. So we can underline or make it like this to show them this is what I marked. 2 by 3, this one also I marked. Right? Do it neatly, let it look neat. Next one is 5 by 3, see I marked. Next one, 7 by 3, see I marked. Next, 11 by 3, see is here. Earlier I inserted one more. What is that? Minus 1 by 3. See. So these are the marks minus 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 5 by 3, 7 by 3, 11 by 3 on the number line. Did you all understand? So it is between 1 by 3 is in between 0 and 1. 2 by 3 is in between 0 and 1. 5 by 3 is in between 1 and 2. 8 by 3 is in between 2 and 3. 10 by 3 is in between 3 by and 4. Minus 2 by 3 is in between 0 and minus 1. Minus 1 by 3 is in between 0 and minus 1. Did you all understand? That is what you have to understand in the number line very clearly. Is it clear? Let me do the second one. My second question is, represent minus 5 by 8, minus 2 by 8, 1 by 8, 3 by 8, 7 by 8, 13 by 8. See, 5 minus 5 to 13, there are many, what is that, numbers, isn't it? So, this one you don't take 1 centimeter in one division, you take half a centimeter, is enough. So, I take minus 5 by 8, I have to get till minus 8 by 8 I'll do. Maybe I'll take 0 here, right? A little to that side, 0. Correct? Now half a centimeter, 1 by 8, 2 by 8, 3 by 8, 4 by 8, 5 by 8, 6 by 8, 7 by 8, 8 by 8. What is the meaning of 8 by 8? 1. 9 by 8, 10 by 8, 11 by 8, 12 by 8, 13 by 8, if I go further 14 by 8. Am I right? Now, minus 1 by 8, minus 2 by 8, minus 3 by 8, minus 4 by 8, minus 5 by 8, minus 6 by 8. See, taking 1 centimeter, it is not enough. So, half a centimeter only I have taken. You do exactly, don't mark like this. You do exactly take your scale and mark exactly for half a centimeter. Now, what are they asked? Minus 5 by 8. See here. Minus 5 by 8. I mark it. Don't make it big so that it will touch other one. Right? Minus 2 by 8. Sharp and small box. Next. 1 by 8. See. 1 by 8. Next. 3 by 8. 3 by 8. Next. See, 7 by 8. You can underline also. No problem. 7 by 8. 13 by 8. Okay. If you underline, you will underline everything. If you mark like this, you mark everything. So, even if you underline, no problem. See, it is marking. 7 by 8, 13 by 8. So, I hope you understood how to locate the rational numbers on the number line. Is it clear? So, next let us see how to find out sum of the rational numbers between another two numbers. Let me give some examples. Now, I said rational numbers between two rational numbers. They have given first question. Find the rational numbers between 3 by 10 and 7 by 10. What is the rational numbers between 3 by 10 and 7 by 10? What do you do? Between means 3 by 10 you cannot write. So 4 by 10, comma 5 by 10, comma 6 by 10. Do you agree? Yes, you write down like that. Suppose they ask how many rational numbers are there between minus 1 by 10 and 3 by 10. What do you write down? Minus 1 by 10. After that 0, 0 by 10, 1 by 10, 2 by 10. Like this. Are these only three numbers between this minus 1 by 10 and 3 by 10? No, there are many. Now you know only this thing. So now let us study how to write down any number of rational numbers between the even two numbers. They have given the third question. Write any three rational numbers between minus 2 and 0. Minus 2 and 0, how many rational numbers are there? How to find out? I will teach you that method. Three rational numbers between minus 2 and 0. What you have to do is, the easiest method I will tell you. Minus 2 and 0 you write. You write down as a rational number. Minus 2, how can you write down? Minus 2 by 1. This one also you write down 0 by 1. How many rational numbers they have asked? 3. So you multiply either by 4 or multiply by 5 only. To both numerator and the denominator here. So what do you get? Minus 10 by 5. And what do you get? 0 by 5. What is the numbers between minus 10 by 5 and 0 by 5? You get minus 9 by 5, minus 8 by 5, minus 2 5s are 10 and 5. So minus 9 by 5, minus 8 by 5, minus 7 by 5, minus 6 by 5. All these are the numbers between minus 10 by 5 and 0 by 5. So you got many rational numbers. So what you have to do? You have to multiply by, if you want 3 or 4, you multiply by 5. So 2 5s are 10, 5 1s are 5. 0 5s are 0, 5 1s are 5. So you can write down the rational numbers between minus 10 by 5 and 0 by 5. Minus 9 by 5, minus 8 by 5, minus 7 by 5, minus 6 by 5, minus 5 by 5, right? What is minus 5 by 5? Minus 1. Is it 0 and minus 2? Is it in between 0 and minus 2? Yes. So minus 4 by 5. All these are the rational numbers between minus 2 and 0. Did you all understand? Now my second question is, find three rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Now, what is the problem? 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Denominators are not same. First thing what you have to do is, either you have to do the denominator same, or you can use some other method only. Find the three rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. 1 by 4 and 1 by 2 you write down. So, you take the common denominator. What is this common denominator? 4. Right? So, in order to get 4, you have to multiply by 2 here. So, it is nothing but you have to find out the rational number between 1 by 4 and 2 by 4. You understand? How many rational numbers? 3. So, you multiply both by 4. So what do you get? You get 4 by 16 and 8 by 16. So what are the three rational numbers? 5 by 16, 6 by 16, 7 by 16. Enough. They asked. So 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. First what did I do? I did both denominators same. 4 and 2. What is the LCM? 2, 4. 2 1s are 2 2s are. Again 2 1 1. So LCM is 4. You have studied in 5th standard, 6th standard, 7th standard. Right? So in order to get 4, I multiplied by 2. Now the numbers are 1 by 4 and 2 by 4. So these are called equivalent fractions also, 1 by 4 and 2 by 4. Now what I do is, I multiply, I want three rational numbers. I can multiply by 4 or multiply by 5. If you multiply by 4, you get 3 exactly, 3 rational numbers. 4 by 16 and 8 by 16. What are the numbers? 5 by 16, 6 by 16, 7 by 16. You understand? Now let us do one more problem. You will understand better. My question is, find 5 rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. Now you have to see the denominator first. 3 and 5, are they same? No. What do you have to do? You have to find out the LCM. 3 and 5, both are prime numbers. So LCM is 15. So my aim is to make the denominator same. So in order to get 15, I have to multiply by 5 here, I have to multiply by 3 here. But I cannot multiply only to the denominator, I have to multiply to the numerator also, here also to the numerator with the same number. So 10 by 15 and 12 by 15. Now in order to get 5 rational numbers, you can multiply by 6 to both numerator and the denominator. Once the denominator are same. So you get 60 by 90 and 72 by 90. So 61 by 90, 62 by 90, whatever numbers are there in between, they are the rational numbers between 60 by 90 and 72 by 90. From where did we get 60 by 90 and 72 by 90? 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. Now my last question. Find the rational numbers between minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 3. Again you see the denominators are the same. No, 2 3s are 6. So you have to, aim is to make 6 the denominator. So multiply by the 3, here by 2. Same multiply by here, same multiply by here. So minus 9 by 6 and 10 by 6. Here there is no problem because this is minus, this is plus. So you can write down minus 8 by 6, minus 7 by 6, minus 6 by 6 till 9 by 6. There will be many. 0, 1 by 6, 2 by 3, 6, 3 by 6, many will be there. Now you understood clearly. I hope you understood. Suppose 1 by 2 and suppose they give you 1 by 2 and 5 by 2. How many rational numbers? 2 by 2, 3 by 2, 4 by 2, 5 by 2 directly. Suppose they give 1 by 8 and 2 by 8. What do you have to do? You multiply the denominator same. So if they ask 5 rational numbers, you multiply by 6. So 6, 6. So you get 6 by 48 and 12 by 48. Then you can write down 7 by 48, 8 by 48 and so on are the rational numbers between 1 by 8 and 2 by 8. I hope you understood. If you like my video, please share it with others and subscribe it. Thank you children.